Greetings, everyone. Today, our ESC stars are going to talk upon advertisement, how it's very important in our life, in the favor and against. Over to you, my dear Shining stars.
Yes, I am completely against the advertisement while we are watching the TV program because when we are watching it and we are engrossed in the program and advertisement comes over there, so we lose the flow of the program. So we don't like ads in between the program. So whatever we are grasping from it, so we get distracted. So I am against this.
Then
Yes,
how
I
will
really agree with you, Madhu ma'am. Because if we see the television, so we will get an means success to see the TV, mobiles, and their advertisement like junk foods, mobiles, PS5s. Then they will post to their fathers that please give me PS5, please I want to eat an ice cream. This can be harm to their body. This is not this is not good for our health. This can harm to our body, and from this we cannot be we can we means we will get an
then how will small
Yes,
companies
I can completely against. Many times, wrong information is given in advertisement. Children and youth get into the habit eating and drinking personal things more advertisement. Advertisement can access purchase of product. Advertisements are mostly only for selling product.
from my
Yes, I see
perception
your
but
point.
from my perception the advertisement are for selling purpose for their products, and the seeing person should be anybody, adult or old person or any young kid. So the the problem she or he is watching, but he or she not understand properly until he or she is understand it. So the parents only can understand their child that what is wrong and what is good.
Yes,
Yeah, I
I
would like
agree
to
with
add a
Gonika.
point.
I I agree with Gonika because advertise these our many products knowledge and uses because I we we could not knowledge some products then advertisement throwing our knowledge product.
If we are
But
in
in the
against
real sense, I feel that advertisements manipulates our emotions. They play with people's emotions. They use fear or guilt or the desire to make them buy their product. And I'll give you an example. The ad say real mothers use this plan, or you are not beautiful unless you use this cream, which adds emotional pressure on the consumers, and the consumers emotions are manipulated, which make them buy the products. As well as in today's advertisements, they are creating fake needs. They make people believe that we need things, but they actually don't. A really good example is this one of the known brands. They release their smartphones every year. And though people's smartphones are working, they bought the last year, but they still want to buy another year due to the manipulation which is done by the advertisement makers, which make them believe that they actually need the newer version because the old one is outdated.
if we are in the against in the advertisement, so how then how small companies start advertise their product and make that big. So I am in the favor of that.
No, no, here I completely disagree with you because advertisement really play a negative role in the in children's lives because by seeing the advertisement, children become stubborn and they ask demanding such things which their parents don't want to give them. So advertisement just distract children from whatever they are doing, from their studies.
From my perception, if the children are demanding and not stopping the demanding of that thing, so parents can attract from other things. And then and Namya's I'm not I agree with Namya also, but it's again its point that the children can be distracted from other things, because if they want wrong thing, so we can distract from them the right thing.
If
That
we
is
see every religion, so we will get an eyes issue. Our headache will pain. That's why then we have to not play the games. But some people use wondering, they turn off and mobile data so that advertisement don't came in game also.
But there is not advertisement is all about the games and all. There is other types of advertisement, so I am in favor.
If we see,
Guys,
if
like
we
I don't know,
play
Kritika, why you're not speaking, Kritika? Kindly, Kritika, Sushma ma'am, do not just listen. Kindly speak up. What are you doing, both of you? Speak up, my dear Shining Stars. Kritika, start.
Advertisement is important. Because of advertisement we can know about the things, the good things which we haven't known before.
See, here I would like to add that people like me who are busy throughout the day, and suppose I grab time to watch a serial or watch news for half an hour, and you see that advertisement kills a lot of time. So if I spare time of half an hour to watch news, and just you can calculate that in during the time of news also they broadcast advertisements. So my time is going to be killed, because for that advertisement period I can't do anything. I just have to sit idle, and forcefully I have to watch the advertisement which I don't want to watch. I just want to listen to news, or I want to watch my favorite serial like KBC or whatever it is. So that is complete distraction from that from our motto, whatever we are doing, and it wastes our time.
Also, a point that media houses often avoid publishing negative news about big brands that sponsor them, that pay them the money, which is false advertising, in fact.
Exactly. We start living in the virtual world, which is not true actually.
but means if we see advertisement means especially small children, they will speak they will speak in the school class everywhere they can speak. They because they don't know this is an advertisement, like means in every school they speak advertisement like Amul Doodh Pita Hai, they like this. This is not an good habit. That's why this we have to not see. And
Another network is so bad. So Kritika and Sushma ma'am, would you like to speak something?
I see your point, but I have different perspective. Advertising helps business inform consumers about new or exciting products, offers, and innovations.
And by advertisement, we can know about know about the things that are advertising by the company. So that is not we are against and it. I am in the favor.
yes,
That is actually they are forcing, advertisement are just forcing on us that you have to buy this, you have to buy that. They are creating a virtual world for us. So but sometimes what happens, suppose I want to buy a car. If when I want to buy a car, I'm not going to be moved by the advertisements. I will just find out certain and certain cars and the certain models, and I will visit the companies. Then, if I am going to buy something, then I will work on it. So I am not always going to buy everything. So why should I watch everything, every advertisement? Why should I watch? I
So
want
it
to
is,
know. I want information only about the product which I want to buy. So when
so
I
it
will
is,
spend a
so it is not the problem of the advertisement. It is the problem of the consumer. So you can go, not just to blame on the that advertisement and all.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to buy the product and then I am going to go to those companies. But why should I watch? My point is that why should I watch all the advertisements, which kills a lot of time?
All the we can skip all the advertisement while going on other
Wait,
channels.
guys, wait, Vinika, Kritika is speaking something. The student who is not speaking for a long time, if he or she tries, so please give him or her support. And please, my dear Shining Star, do not sit like a VIP. Raise your voice and speak up. Over to you, Kritika.
Advertisement helps business reach a larger audience and promotes awareness about new product services.
But companies in today's world are spending billions of on just advertising instead of improving their product quality or reducing prices. And due to the expensive ad campaigns which the company is putting up, it increases the product cost, which consumers end up paying for. So, in the sense, we are paying the companies for advertisement, not the product impact.
No,
Yes,
I
yeah, here I want to add that they don't tell us the reliable news also. They just they just do this to create, increase their TRP and
that
spread
no,
this type of sensation.
no, I disagrees with you because they are by the cost they are giving the new features and the quality. So it is not right thing.
The fact is that they are not. That is what I made the point is that they are spending billions on advertisement rather than improving the product quality, which is very much true according to all the scientists which are working on checking the products. You can go and check all the sites on Google's where the companies are banned because their product quality was not nice. They were instilling wrong things in the products instead of putting the money into the product quality.
But
We are
not all.
That's interesting, but I see it another way. When complaints complete through ads, they try to improve product quality and reduce price, with benefits consumers.
Advertisement plays a crucial role in today's world. Without advertisement, people may know what options are available in the market. It also boosts the economy by increasing sales and creating jobs in marketing, media, and production. Moreover, advertisement can educate people. For example, government ads on health, education, and road safety separate important things. In short, advertising is a bridge between companies and customers, making the market more competitive and innovative.
And yes, we are not paying for advertisement. We are paying to TV and all the for the all the channels. So the advertisement the company is doing, and so we can't say that we are paying to advertisement all the money, because TV provide all the channels, and the advertisement come automatically in that channels, because the people who are doing their works, they have to promote their product, they have to sell their product. That's why they are doing the advertisement. By removing all the advertisement, we are completely uh, doing rude behavior with those people who are start up their business.
They have more ways to advertise for advertisement. They have more other ways also, where they can't force their products on us. because their information is not reliable at many times. So watching advertisement during the time of a show is not acceptable for me at least.
We can't say that that is other ways. I agree, but there is other ways. So, but there is there is choice of advertisement by there. I am in the favor.
See, if they advertise in newspaper, so there is a complete page for newspaper. So we can, that is our choice whether we have to look into that paper, that column or not. But when we are watching a show, we don't have any choice except so turning off the switch or going away from the TV. So there are certain other ways also where they can advertise, and whenever I will want to, I will like buying something, some product, I will have a look on that page also. If I am not in any need, then I am not going to watch it or see that page. So it's like that.
Okay, guys, all are done. Is there anybody who wants to speak lastly? Yes, Ganika, faster.
I want to say this point about this point only, that there are many ways, but the peoples, if go to their shops, so they can show their new products, but all the peoples not read the newspapers, and or not go every time to the shops. So the advertisement is important. They can see advertisement. They all whole over the country watch TV, and from the TV advertisement come, so the people can see the new products, or the products came certainly.
Here I want to add, see, suppose both of us are sitting and watching something, and I want to buy an umbrella, and you don't want to buy an umbrella, you want to buy a bike, but they are broadcasting a ad which is showing umbrellas only. So you won't be interested in that. Why they are showing these umbrellas, which I don't want to buy. So you will feel like you are wasting your time, but I will enjoy it. Okay, umbrellas are here, so how many umbrellas are there, and what is the cost, and how, what is the color. So you will feel like forcefully watching all these things.
So there is another thing comes now also, that
Okay,
we
guys,
stop
we
watching
cannot
it.
do whole night group discussion now. Our time is almost over. So, I don't know why rest of the few of the students cannot speak, but anyway. So, advertising plays a significant role, means important role in shaping modern society. It has the power to inform, educate, connect, and people with all those products, services, and ideas that can improve our lives. It drives business growth, support of the economy, creates opportunities from innovation and development. However, advertising also has a dark side, as a darker side which we have spoken. It can mislead consumers. It creates a false desires, promote materialism, especially among vulnerable audience like children and teenagers. Therefore, the true impact of advertisement depends on how to how it is created, regulated, and received. So, responsible advertising can be a tool for progress, awareness, and economic strength, while irresponsible advertising can lead to misinformation, overconsumption, and social harm. In the end, society must strike a balance. So, encouraging creativity and commerce while ensuring honesty, ethics, and protection of consumer. So the balance can transform advertising from manipulative force into a positive power for growth and change. So I believe all of you have understood, my dear Shining Stars. You all can practice it out, and we'll be try to do this frequent group discussion as you all are doing great. That's it for today, and I have to talk out in the end of the class. So let's end this group discussion.